She's not looking for a drink, but for somewhere moist to lay her egg. The entrance to a burrow. That's worth investigating. She may be tiny, but once she decides to dig, she can shift extraordinary quantities of sand. She's unearthed this spider for a grisly purpose. It's so dry, the only place with enough moisture for her egg is within the body of another living thing. First, she must paralyze her victim. But then the spider plays its trump card. The aptly named golden wheel spider can cartwheel fast enough to escape its gruesome fate. For the wasp, her near impossible search goes on.